Did you know that almost 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube every single day? And that's a lot of video. Now, video has taken the internet by storm, and it's a massive opportunity for getting free traffic quickly and easily. As you probably already know, Google owns YouTube, and because of that, Google puts a very high value on any video content that gets uploaded. So if you're looking to get tons of free traffic, video, well, it's the way to go. But right now, there's an even better way to rank and get free traffic from Google and YouTube, and that's with live video. You've seen live video on Facebook, and it's making its way to other platforms. And right now, Google absolutely loves it. Google loves live video so much it considers live video streams to be news, so grabbing first page rankings with live video is easier than it has ever been. But the problem with live video is that you can only do one live stream at a time, and many people out there, well, they don't want to have to show their faces on live stream, right? That's where live Vid Ranker comes in. Wait until you hear this. This brand new cloud-based software makes it easy for anyone to leverage the power of live video to get hundreds of page one rankings on Google and YouTube with just a few clicks of the mouse. Now here's how it works. First, you simply enter a keyword into the software. If you do local marketing and want to dominate the search engines for any local business, simply enter the business type you want to rank for inside Live Vid Ranker. Choose the country and city where you want to rank, and Live Vid Ranker actually goes to work automatically, finding all the important places in that city, like the street names, the neighborhood names, and the other important places around the city. And it adds these geographic descriptions to the keyword you selected. This effectively gives you hundreds of long-tail keyword combinations that you can quickly rank for with just a few clicks. It's ingenious. At this point, all you have to do is choose any video file you want, add an event description, and hit Create Event. The software will begin live streaming the video for all the titles created for you. This is powerful. Within minutes, you have hundreds of unique videos showing up in the search engine. Many of these will rank very quickly on the first page of Google. Live Vid Ranker then goes one step farther to make sure as many videos as possible rank at the top of the search engines by automatically adding the last URL and a random URL in the description for all the videos. By interlinking the videos in that way, you get added link juice, and it makes your videos even more likely to rank quickly and easily. What you end up with is hundreds of videos that are interlinked and live streamed, so you find yourself getting hundreds of page one listings on Google and YouTube on autopilot. Imagine how happy a local business would be if he woke up one morning and discovered you were able to get him hundreds of page one listings. This makes it easier than ever to demand over $500 checks from business owners, and the best part is you don't even have to do any of the hard work. Live Vid Ranker does all that heavy lifting for you. But Live Vid Ranker is not just for local marketers. It also does work for affiliate marketers. When you use Live Vid Ranker for affiliate marketing, you'll enter a product name instead of a business name like you would for a local market. What happens then is that everything works the same as it does for local marketing, except when using it as an affiliate, Live Vid Ranker automatically adds a prefix and a suffix from the vast database, giving you hundreds of titles. After adding the video you want live streamed, Live Vid Ranker works on autopilot to get you multiple first page Google and YouTube rankings using the hundreds of title combinations that it created for you. And that means more traffic and more affiliate commissions in your pocket. But this doesn't just work for local marketing and affiliate marketing. You could even use Live Vid Ranker for promoting your own products, doing CPA marketing, or even promoting a service. Live Vid Ranker works on autopilot to get you the first page rankings and free traffic that you need to get big results online. Of course, the best part about getting Live Vid Ranker today is the highly discounted pricing that you get when you click the button below. When you get Live Vid Ranker now, we'll include some powerful money-making bonuses, and we let you give Live Vid Ranker a try on our dime for a full 30 days so you could be 100% sure this is for you. If you're currently doing local marketing or anything else that would benefit from tons of free search engine traffic, Live Vid Ranker gives you a massively unfair advantage against your competition. And it makes it easy for you to get hundreds of first page rankings on Google and YouTube with just a few clicks of your mouse. This is the ultimate shortcut to easy rankings and lots of free traffic on autopilot. To get instant access, click the button below right now.
Hi guys, this is Vic and welcome to the demo of Live Vid Ranker. Now, this is a complete beast. As you see in the left hand side, we have so many powerful options, but just to give you an overview of the real power that we have in this software, I want to touch upon these two segments. Now, one is local marketing and one is affiliate marketing. You can actually dominate both these segments. So you can rank videos. If you're an affiliate marketer, you have your own products, you have your own service, or you're working for your clients, so you can do it with local marketing options. So first, let me show you the magic with affiliate marketing. So the complete training inside the members area, but right now, just to show a glimpse of what this powerful beast has, I'll just go and let's say we want to do launch jacking with the product called Live Vid Ranker. Okay, and I just click this button, guys, just one button, and what the software will do, it'll create multiple variation. And now you see we have this best Live Vid Ranker review. Okay, and we have this in the title, we have this in the description, and we have this in the tag. So it's highly optimized. What I can do, I can just choose a video file, whatever video file I created, or you can use any pre-created video file from YouTube, a Creative Comment video, and then you can just upload this file only once and then just check this box. Okay, and then if you want, you can select a thumbnail, and right now I'm going to leave this. And if you just go towards the right, so we have this two options, which is the edit and the close option. And inside the edit option, if I go and I show you the power, so we have the title in the description in the tag, so it's highly optimized. But that's not it, guys. We are also giving you a perfect link juice, done for you link juice, by adding the last URL and the random URL, and that's pretty much it. You can add your descriptions, and look at this. All these videos are going to live stream on complete autopilot with just click of this button. You can schedule it over here. There are tons and tons of other strategies that I've revealed inside the members area, so you can keep a time delay between the two live streams, and all these videos will go and live stream on a random time. And you just entered just one product name. That's it. So this is how you crush affiliate marketing. And obviously with link juice, with highly optimized video, because you have the same title in the description, in the tag, you are gonna actually crush the page one rankings. That's how we get multiple page one rankings with using these strategies. But that's not it. Now let's go and check out the local marketing strategies, and inside that I go inside the add event, and over here what you have to do, you see there are three columns, like choose country, choose city, and the keyword. So for example, I want to work with dentist, so I add the business name here. So I want to crush plumber industry in my country. So I'm from India, so I'll just, and we have all the countries listed here, so I'll just scroll down real fast and let's see. Okay, I found it. So we have India here, and once I select a country, so this beast will pull out all the cities, not the states, but all the cities from the complete database that we have inside. And now if I say I want to select a city inside this country. Okay, so I select this country, and then I have my business niche here, that's plumber, and that's pretty much it. Now look at the magic that the software does. What the software will do, it'll go out there, and inside that city you'll find out all the important areas, like the street names, any particular corner, or whatever is important inside that particular area, and it'll actually create a great variety of titles using this strategy. So look at this. So it has the base plumber in Villepale, Mumbai. So this is the area name. This is one of the area names. It may be the sector name, it may be a street name, it may be whatever it is, and it is highly optimized because this is in the title, in the description, and the same title is in the tags. And as I showed you inside the affiliate marketing, over here again we have the last URL and the random URL already predefined here so that you get the link juice. It's a complete optimized video, and you just need to paste your little bit of description, whatever you have, and that's pretty much it. So a complete database. And look at this, just one single entry gave us all these hundreds and hundreds of events. You just can create all these events. I'm just scrolling guys. So it's huge, and with just one click you can schedule all of them at a random interval, create the event, select your YouTube channel, and that's it. Go out there, crush it with live Vid Ranker. This is a complete beast. There's no software in the market which has a complete database inbuilt for you for crushing local marketing, and of course for crushing affiliate marketing, promoting your own products, services, everything with a click of a button. I hope you have realized the power of this beast, and it's all cloud based, so you don't have anything to install. Everything is super simple, just a click of a mouse away. So go out there. I'll see you in the members area.